To fix Windows 11 update error, first we're gonna reset Windows Update component. For that, click in Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Here you need to type the following command showing you on your screen right now. I have mentioned all command in the description. From there you can copy paste in here. Make sure you need to type this command one by one, and after running all commands, click on Start and restart your PC. Then check if this helps you to fix your problem. If not, then follow our next method, Microsoft Update Catalog. For that, open any browser you have. In search, type Microsoft Update Catalog, then press enter. Make sure you're selecting the same website as you can see here. Now click in search and paste the KB number of your Windows Update. Click on search. Here you can see the Windows Update as per the KB version and the date showing up in here. Simply click on download and click on this link. This will start installing the Windows Update on your PC. Afterwards, simply open it and install it on your Windows 11 PC. I hope our method will help you to fix your problem. If not, do let us know in the comment section.